Welcome to Calico Mine. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated at all times, keeping in all hands, arms, feet, legs, etc. There is no eating and drinking, no smoking, no flash photography. Regular photography is fine. Take as many pictures and videos as you guys like. Just make sure that the flash is off. Most importantly, guys, take one last look back at Calico Square and wave goodbye. Because with the way that I've been driving, we may not be surviving. All aboard.
Keep a lookout, no hanging out. Hanging.
Well, look at this, folks. These bubbling, boiling pots sure may look pretty, but many a poor miner's gone and dug his pick right down into old Mother Earth, only to have a blast of steaming hot mud erupt in his face. It ain't exactly the kind of warm welcome you want. Up over yonder, you can see our lifts and mining cages, the quickest way to reach every level of the mine. And take a look to the right up over here. Yes, sir, folks. That's the world-famous Calico Mine Glory Hole, the site of one of the richest gold strikes in all of recorded history.
Now y'all can't be too careful in this here mine, folks. Remember, one stray spark and we'll all get blasted to kingdom come.
Man, we're getting to the 2,000 foot level. Where's this? Half a mile here about it. They call it the Steepers Mountain Top. Sure is dark up here. Say, driver, how about a little bit more light? Would you look at that? You know, all it takes is one tiny drop of water and about 1,000,000 years to make all these stalagmites on the floor and stalactites on the ceiling. Well, look at that. Old seldom seen Slim's done struck him some gold. Drinks on you, Slim. We're approaching the upper levels of the quarry. Up here you get a view of all the different kinds of mining operations we have going on. It's a lot of backbreaking work, picking up all that gold ore. A few easy old picks and shovels and rock pickers. Now that's what I call teamwork. They don't call a man's best friend for nothing, especially when there's gold at stake. Let's all think light thoughts up on this here trestle bridge. Keep your hands and arms inside the cars now. Ain't fallen off this mountain since 1880. Ah, never mind that. Let's just hope she's got one more train load in her. Up ahead there is a new part of the mine. That means progress. And progress means blasting. Look out, folks. We're headed straight into a dynamiting party. This shaft is caving in. Let it rip, boys!
Stop that train! I've set the charges! It's too late!
Welcome back, guys. Please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. Once it comes to a full and complete stop, go ahead and lift up on those seats next to the door and give the door a push. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your day here at Knott's Berry Farm.